Has the mystery of the yawn finally been solved? Yawning cools the brain and does not function to oxygenate our blood. Scientists claim researchers filmed 100 species of different animals and birds yawning in zoos. They then compared brain sizes, yawn lengths and neuron data on the species. This allowed them to link larger and more active brains to longer duration yawns. They say this is due to the more active minds needed more work to cool down. Authors believe yawning is a function our bodies use to cool down our brains. Yawning assists with cooling the cerebrum and doesn't capacity to oxygenate our blood, as indicated by researchers, who additionally discovered vertebrates with bigger minds yawn longer. Specialists from Utrecht University gathered more than 1,250 yawns from in excess of 100 types of vertebrates and birds by visiting zoos with cameras and pausing. They tracked down an immediate connection between the size or action levels of the cerebrum and the length of the yawn, proposing we need to yawn to chill off our mind and stay alert. Yawning helps to cool the brain and does not function to oxygenate our blood, according to scientists, who also found vertebrates with larger brains yawn longer.
If indeed those species with larger brains also yawn longer than those species with
They found a direct link between the size or activity levels of the brain and the length of the yawn, suggesting we need to yawn to cool down our brain and stay alert.
You need a lot of patience. So basically what we did in this study is we went to several zoos or several research institutes and sat in front of those enclosures with a camera and waited until the individuals actually yawned.
I'm filming. Oh, it's very nice. Oh my God. That's impressive.
So these findings provide us with useful information about how the brain functions and specifically how it deals with...
If someone is yawning, he might not be bored. He might be trying to keep his attention at the perfect level for the story you are telling, said author Jörg Masson.
15 times a day, and which is often associated with boredom, but we now know that this is actually a very helpful behavior that helps us to bring back our brain to a temperature in which it functions best. So in fact, if somebody is yawning, he might not be bored, but he might actually be trying to keep his attention at a perfect level for the story you're telling them.